Welcome to FX Street. I am John, and I have Akash with me. We are your co-hosts. If you like what we're doing here at FX Street, please join us on YouTube by going to our YouTube channel and hitting the subscribe button. Specifically, if you like what the two of us are talking about, you can follow us on Twitter. You have Akash at Mangyako0. I don't even know if I pronounced that right again, but and then myself at Just Analysis 1, and we are taking a look at which one are we taking a look at right now? Ripple. That's right. Ripple, or not Ripple.
Finished Ripple. We're gonna take a look at Shiba.
That's right. Shiba. Oh God, Shiba. I don't even know where to begin with Shiba Inu. I mean, it's I'm not the right person to even really go over Shiba Inu because I avoid things like Shiba Inu like the plague. It is the definition of a pump and dump, in my opinion. I mean, this kind of behaviors just there is a technical reason for it, and I will say this: like I'm not a fundamentals guy, but from a technical perspective, the spike here is totally normal, actually. When you consider, like, in technical analysis, we view that the longer a period of consolidation exists, the equal or greater is the expansion move out of it. And I mean, that this is the kind of behavior we would expect to see out of any instrument. If this was Amazon or Apple, nobody would look at it and go, oh, well, this is stupid. But because it's Shiba Inu and people like me go, this is stupid, really, in a nutshell, from a purely technical perspective, it's not this kind. It's actually quite underdone. It has not equaled the. I mean, if you were to square this time and price wise, it's only moved roughly about 53% of the potential rise from the breakout of the consolidation zone. So it still technically has a lot of room to move and could easily extend beyond that opening high over there. But I mean, that's, I have a hard time saying where I would go long or short because I don't hold it. I don't have a desire to. I generally don't like to put out areas of accumulation or shorting when I have no intention of doing it myself. And saying that, though, I just don't see any right now. I think this, in order to go long or short here, there needs to be a little bit more of a pullback. You'll need to see some stabilization in the price action, and yeah. I don't know if that's cop out or not, but if it is, okay. But that's what I see. So I'm gonna pass the buck off to you, Akash.
Yep, thank you. Right. So for Shiba Inu, right, the last time we discussed, we expect it was somewhere around here, just about the 55. I expected it to get resisted around this level, which is 0.40235. And retest the 55, but actually what it did is it just blew right through the this resistance level here. Retested the open on May 10th and May 11th, kind of just broke above it, and now you see like a massive blow off top, and as you see with the volume over here, like a classic sign of a blow off top that you see. But other than that, I think it's coming to a really good spot. It's probably going to consolidate between the 55 at 201, or maybe like slide down to 180, 182, and then proceed to go higher again. Another thing that I want to point out is that now, despite this massive run up, when it was dropping here yesterday, I think probably last night, Shiba announced that it's partnered with some company that is adopting Shiba for payments and stuff, but still that news kind of didn't do anything for it, suggesting that like investors are trying to like the profits, right? So in the short term, I'm expecting it to consolidate between these two areas here and then go higher. There is a possibility we might come down to this level, but it's nothing to worry about, which is 140. I think if it ever does this, like come down here below this, then I think you're probably going to get a little bit of consolidation again before we move higher. But other than that, I think nothing to be worried about with Shiba. Just if you have a big bag, just hold it. I think in the fourth quarter, it's wildly going to outperform all the altcoins, all the but probably obviously Bitcoin and like the DeFi blue chips. Uh, it sounds kind of lame saying this because doesn't really make sense, right? For Shiba to outperform actual projects that are like building to something. But it does outperform, and then again you see approximately like 140 150 days of consolidation, like a whole bear run cycle, right? So this drop from the all-time high is roughly 87% downswing, right? This only happens during bear runs. So Shiba Inu like full on went into a bull market and then and a bear market in roughly like 6 months. So the top is going to be really something like this. The next time you see the top, it's going to be something like this, like a massive wick that you see, the people cashing out, running to the exits. That's when FOMO. It's basically FOMO, right? So I think right now, short term, anything shouldn't matter. Like nothing should matter for you. The technical shouldn't matter. Just buy, hold, enjoy the profits. I think that's about it.
Remember what Warren Buffett said? The market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So it's best not to step in front of this thing.
Yeah, perfect ending.
All right, we'll stop there recording.